Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is super exciting for me and it's probably the most exciting video I will be uploading on this channel thus far and anytime in the near future because today I'm going to be showing you guys all of the products from the new collection from Ferocious Beauty Cosmetics. And if you did not know, I, yours truly, Cody Jay, am an official model for the Ferocious Beauty Cosmetics campaign. So I'm very excited about this. So I'm going to be taking this giant collection box right here and going through all the products. And then I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette and create a very quick and easy eyeshadow look for you guys to follow along with. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so I'm so excited. So this is the official collection box from Ferocious Beauty Cosmetics. Now, I'm so excited because, and I'm honored, this is the first time I've actually gotten paid for something like this before, and I'm so excited, so I have to mark this video as like sponsored and everything, so like, pretty cool. But I'm just really excited because somebody took the chance on me and is inviting me to be a part of their campaign. So in addition to this unboxing and tutorial video, I'm going to be coming out and up with a ton of content with all of these products for this brand. And I will be doing an official campaign look, which you guys will see later on. It's going to be all put together, professional, amazing. So I'm really excited. So this is the box when you open it up. Absolutely stunning. Everything is really dark, very purple, very amazing. There are little stencils that you can use that come with it. There's a card, which I'd like to read to you guys. So it says, I started this business for two reasons: to take care of my children in a way that would give me something I could pass down, and to help artists who desperately want to work on their art and make a living instead of working for people who will never understand or respect them. I will always support smaller artists to give them a voice. I will always dedicate myself to being helpful and a positive resource within the community. All of that so far is very true. I've experienced it firsthand. Thank you so much for helping to support that dream, and thank you for being a part of my small business. When you get your goodies, please take photos and share them. Tag us so we can see them and share your beautiful faces. That alone can help Ferocious Beauty Cosmetics in ways that you can't even imagine. And if there's something we can do better, please let us know. Thank you again for your support and all you do to uplift others in the community. It does not go unnoticed. I love this so much, and I love this brand. And I did a video in the past with their liquid lipsticks, so go check that out. So I'm just going to start taking everything out. I literally have not opened this, like I opened the box, but I haven't looked at anything yet just because I want a lot of my, reactions to be on camera, or all my reactions. So I'm just gonna like throw this all over the floor. So there's a lot of goodies in here. So I'm just gonna start taking them out, and I don't know what is what within here because it's all wrapped. So we're gonna find out together. So this is like Christmas Day for me. Okay, so to get started, we have 8 liquid lipsticks in this collection. Now I have used 4 of them in the past, which again, I did a video on them before, so go check those out for more like super dedicated in-depth review on those. But these colors are Charlie, Ferocious Bite, Cinvy, Amanda, Tiana, Marley, Yumberry, and Sinful. So these are super stunning. So I'm not gonna open all of them up just because I feel like that would take forever and ever, and we all don't have that much time in our life to do that. So I'm gonna throw up a picture of all of the liquid lipsticks right here somewhere. So this is all of them out of their box. So I'm just gonna open 1 or 2 to show you. So this is what the actual component looks like. Very sleek. I love the silver, very beautiful. Okay, this one is called Ferocious Bite. This is Cinvy, and this is Amanda. So this is what all the components look like for the liquid lipsticks. And like I said, I threw up the picture so you can see what all of them look like out of the box. Alrighty, next up in the collection are 4 Vision liquid highlighters. This is the package. So all 4 of these I'm going to take out because there's 4 of them. Okay, so this is what the liquid highlighter component looks like. I think it's super, super beautiful. So on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna like swatch some of these, if you will. So the first one is called Viper Ice. Next we have God Ice. The names at the end of them all say ice, like I said, so like, it's weird to say them, but that's what it is. Okay, then we have Ferocious Ice, if you will. Looks like this. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. And last but not least, we have Danger Ice. Ooh, that came out quickly. Looks like this. Ooh, look at that. Focus. Oh my gosh. So there's definitely a nice variation of colors. It definitely could fit on all skin tones. I think it's super beautiful, super fun. Now I typically am someone who goes for just like a white highlight or a gold highlight, so I think I could find something out of this though. I think especially like that first one, I really like that a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of Ferocious Ice, the kind of lavender one, and I'm going to take this and just put a little bit, I need my mirror because I can't see my monitor right. I'm gonna take this and just place it like little dots on the high points of my face. I really don't know how intense this will be on the face yet, so I'm gonna go like conservatively. So I'm just gonna take my little sponge and kind of blend it out. You can use your finger if you would like, and just kind of blend that in. Okay, that blended out nicely with the sponge, but I'm gonna take my finger on the other side just to kind of see the difference. See if I like a finger better. I typically don't, but actually with this, I think I do. I feel like because it warms up the product a little bit and just kind of spreads it out better. It definitely blends it out better if you use your finger rather than a sponge. So use your finger. Then if it's a little bit too intense, like that's stunning. But if it's a little bit too intense for you, you can just take a sponge and just kind of stamp over it with whatever product is left on, like your foundation sponge, and you'll be good to go. Ooh, look at that. That is stunning. Perfect. Literally perfect. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the bad boy right here, the Darkness Rising eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna take this off. It looks the same on the inside. Here she is. Grand reveal. Look how beautiful that is. So many complementary colors. I love the purples and the blues. You know those are my favorite colors, so this palette is absolutely everything to me. There's a mirror inside, which I think is fantastic. I'm just gonna peel the little sticky off of it. Oh, satisfying. So yes, a little up close shot for you. Absolutely beautiful. So there are 15 shades in this. There are 5 that are shimmers here in the middle row, which I like that because they're just all in line. All your shimmers are just in line. Sometimes people put them all over and I just don't like that. Like my OCD wants it to be like in the middle. So that's perfect. And I like the way they're lined up too, because like you can just kind of like go down the line, you know what I mean? Like the purples are all here, the blues, the black tones, you got the warm ones over here. So I think that's really nice that they all kind of go together, which helps you, especially if you aren't comfortable like picking shades to use for an eyeshadow look. I feel like the placement and the layout of these shadows really will help you with that. So real quick off camera, I'm gonna do one eye, come back, and I will give you guys a really quick tutorial on how to replicate it. Okay guys, I'm back and this is the look that I created. Let me just tell you, like first and foremost, no matter whether I'm getting paid for a review or whatever it may be, my opinions, reviews, and everything are always gonna be 110% honest and accurate, and this is no exception. So look at that. That is stunning. When I tell you I had the easiest time with this palette, oh, like I'm not even lying. Like this is stunning. So we're gonna use like 4 or 5 of these shadows and you're gonna see firsthand how pigmented and how easily blendable these shadows are. And like no joke, the purple that I used starting off is the best purple, hands down, I have ever used. I had legitimately 0 fallout. There's a tiny little bit of kickback in the pan, and I mean very little, but as far as fallout, I had absolutely nothing whatsoever. So let's just do this other eye and you guys can see for yourself. So to get started, we're going to be priming our lid with our Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas base. Just throw this bad boy on real quick. Alrighty, so to get this look started, I'm gonna be going in with the dark purple here at the top. I'm gonna take a semi-small blending brush. This is the Morphe M456 brush. So I'm just going to pack that onto my brush, and then we're going to start placing this right here in the crease, and then go all the way down to our lid. On the brush and in the pan, it looks purple, but when it's actually applied, it's just really like a dark blue, almost purple. So really love that. I love that tone. So just start packing it on right here and take it up a little bit and then just kind of buff out the edges a little. And then do the same on the inner corner. Alrighty, once you have that blended out, you're gonna take this light purple here at the bottom. I'm going in with my Morphe M506 brush. So just dip into that and you're gonna go around the outer edge of everything that you just applied. Now this is more of a true purple, but it's a lot lighter than the first shadow, which is why I'm doing it in this order. So just kind of go around it, blend it together, buff it out. And then you're also going to take that on the inside of the shapes that you created too. And kind of flick them inwards towards the center of your eye. This is going to help when we apply our shimmer here in just a couple seconds. And of course repeat it on the other side. Okay, once you have those sides all blended out, just take it right across the top to connect both sides very lightly. Alrighty, now for some shimmer. We're gonna be taking this super stunning, it's almost like a silver blue. Like when it's on the lid, maybe it's because it's mixing, but it's really a silver shimmer, but it just kind of, I don't know, for me it takes like a blue cast almost, but like, not really. You'll see, it's pretty much silver. So we're just gonna take this and we're just going to apply it in the center. Look at that, it gives me the tingles. So just, you know the tingles. So just start applying that and blending it out. You don't have to be perfect with this. I just kind of take it up to where like my crease would be and just kind of shimmy it down. And then just kind of blend it outwards a little bit. So when it hits the purple and the blue that we have placed already, that's when you see it kind of change color. And I like that because it gives you like that gradient effect without you having to do anything. So now you're just gonna dip into that first shadow we used, that first shade, and just kind of like flick it back inwards towards the center of the eye. This is gonna help blend all the shimmer together with the shadows that are already there. Just give it a nice gradient effect, kind of give it a little bit of a shape. Ooh, look how beautiful. Now real quick, just to make sure everything is blended out, we're gonna go in with a little bit of this pink with just a fluffier blending brush. So just take this and kind of run it along the outside. It's gonna give it a little bit more color, but the whole point of this is to really just smoke it out more. You could also use some translucent powder, or you could use the white that's in this palette. But our whole goal is not to really change the color that much, but just to blend it out. Okay, so real quick for the under eye, we're gonna go in with this shadow right here. I'm just gonna take my Makeup Shack T14 brush, and we're just going to run this along our lower lash line. Then we're just gonna wipe that off on a paper towel and dip into that pink again, the lighter pink, and just kind of blend it out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just going to line my waterline with my ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in purple because duh. Mascara, I'm using my Great Lash from Maybelline. We love an OG awesome mascara, so just give this a nice little coat. Okay, for lashes, I'm taking my J Sky Beauty lashes in the style Iris. I'm just gonna finish this beautiful look up with them. Like, nothing completes a look more than lashes, in my opinion. Okay, so this eye look is absolutely fantastic. Like, don't even lie, you know it is. So I think all I need left is a little bit of an inner corner highlight. I'm going to take this one right here and just pop that in my inner corner. I'm just gonna take a little pointed pencil brush. It just gives it that extra little, you know, that little, as good as I can do. Okay, so to finish this entire look off, before I give you guys my final thoughts, we need a liquid lipstick. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna be using the shade Cindy, which is one of my OG favorites, and I just feel like will look good with this look. It's a very deep purple kind of red. Ah. Okay guys, so this is the look all complete. I think it is absolutely exceptionally beautiful. I really wanted to stay kind of in line with the whole palette vibe, obviously, and I think I accomplished that. This lip is so like vampiric. I love it so much. It makes me feel like sexy, mysterious, dark, whatever. So I think this palette is absolutely incredible, and I wanted to run through my final thoughts with you guys on all of these products and then send you on your way. So again, starting off with the liquid lipsticks, there are 8 beautiful shades to choose from. The formula is amazing. It dries very quickly. It's very, very pigmented. With this specific color and like the black and the other dark purple, I would highly recommend lining your lips. They bleed very, 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 very little, but enough for you to maybe be like, maybe I should line my lips. I just never line my lips. It's just my thing. I just don't do it. But other than that, the formula is amazing. There's a lot of product in it. I think the colors are absolutely stunning and obviously goes, you know, very well with the whole collection. So the 4 liquid highlighters, I think these are so cool. I think they're fun. I love the packaging. I've never used a liquid highlighter before, so I really didn't know what to expect. And with my finger, it blended out very nicely. Oh, there's, sorry, product on my finger because I love it that much. But it blended out very nicely and gives it a really nice just glow, and I really like that. Of course, if you want more, you can get a lot more really easily. And if you want less, just put maybe 1 or 2 drops and just blend it out. Now, of course, last but not least is the Darkness Rising eyeshadow palette. The packaging is so stunning. It's so beautiful. It's right up my alley. The whole vibe is beautiful. The color selection, the layout is stunning. There was no fallout. The colors are so pigmented. I was honestly so surprised. The shimmers are stunning, as you can see. Everything just was, it was just so perfect, and I legitimately have no complaints for any of these products, which is kind of shocking to me because usually I tactfully will tell you like something I don't like, but I really, truly don't have anything to complain about. So like, props to you, Ferocious Beauty Cosmetics, for killing this collection. I know from behind the scenes talk that there's been a lot of delays with this collection because, you know, pandemic and just all kinds of other things. So I'm so happy to see this entire collection come to fruition. And I wanted to thank all of you guys so much for helping to get me to a specific point in my career so far, to where a brand would even consider having me be a part of their collection and their campaign. So I obviously could not have done this without you, and I really appreciate you guys helping me just check another goal off of my list. But that is today's review and tutorial all complete. Again, the Ferocious Beauty Cosmetics collection is absolutely approved by me, and I would highly recommend it. But that is all I have for you guys today. I really want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you'd like to follow me on all social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody Jay Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.